Milady Memecoin holders, I am back, and in this video we're gonna dive into something a bit different. We're gonna be talking about the overall markets, TradFi markets, and the DXY, the US dollar index, which is a very key indicator of where the markets will be going in the future and how it could potentially affect Milady Memecoin. So if you hold Milady Memecoin, you hold ladies, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member, tune into the live streams, watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything. And always remember, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Let's dive in. So ladies right now sitting at 0.3386, up a bit on the monthly right now, up a tiny bit on the daily at just under $25 million in market cap, 24.87, and the trade volume sitting at $3.04 million in trade volume, up 2%, which is very nice to see that we have the trade volume for ladies rising. Okay, it's very interesting. We have a couple of threads right here talking about price prediction for ladies. The community extremely active. Last time I did a stream, we had a ton of people that tuned in, around 20 to 30 people that tuned in. So as the community of the project, guys, all you got to do is keep pushing. And again, ladies, like I said before, has never seen a bull run. You see here, the overall markets are down altogether, man. The overall markets are just down in general. Doge down 2.2%, Shiba down, Pepe kind of making a move up though on the 24-hour. Very interesting. Pepe making a up 16%. Okay, Pepe started to make a move up. Interesting. Very nice to see. That could spark some type of move in, a few other meme coins as well. We'll see, man. But the rest of the memes are down right now. Ladies up a bit as well, up 2% on the 24-hour. So with Pepe starting to make a move up, could be good for ladies, man. I didn't even notice Pepe started to make a move. This was earlier today, right? We did a stream talking about Pepe and ladies. So this 15% move up is pretty interesting. So we're gonna see a weekend pump for Pepe. The memes start breaking out once again, man, and ladies could start breaking out with Pepe. You just never know, man. So as I spoke about earlier with the DXY, and how the DXY, the US dollar index, really signifies where the markets will go, right? The DXY pretty much triggers whether we're gonna see bullish or bearish momentum. Typical TradFi and stock markets, they follow what the DXY does, and then Bitcoin is highly correlated to the TradFi markets. It really is, right? So when the DXY is moving up, typically that means we are in a risk off phase. Investors are taking their money out the market, TradFi money, stock market money, crypto market money, because when Bitcoin is bullish, majority of other projects are bullish as well. But when the DXY starts breaking down and crashing, guess what happens to TradFi crypto, right? Stocks start going bullish, right? Crypto, Bitcoin starts going bullish as well, and then other alts follow. So we have from Ragsy.cast, it's very simple and why today's closing is so important. We have an image right here of the DXY and how it's at a crucial resistance level. So if the DXY does break down from this resistance level, that is going to be good for the markets, man. That's going to be good for crypto. And with Bitcoin breaking out, everything else is breaking out. Ladies could potentially follow, right? From Henrik Zeberg, DXY, this is given too much for free. Small pieces of what subs get. They know that the target of 105, 106 has been pointed out over and over in the live shows and last many weeks. Stay bullish DXY and bearish equities all you like, but DXY is about to turn in a major way. So you can see from this chart from Henrik, look at this, man. After it hits this crucial target, it's down. And when it goes down, guess what happens to stocks? Guess what happens to Bitcoin and crypto? It's what happens to potentially ladies, man. We see a move to the upside in ladies once we see the breakdown in the DXY. So we'll keep an eye on that. From Shivam, DXY need to keep a close eye on this chart. Exactly, man. Need to keep a close eye on this chart. As you guys can see, it's at a crucial, extremely crucial resistance level here. And if we see this breakdown, we're gonna go in bullish mode. Not full bull market mode, but bullish mode, you know. And then that's where we're gonna start to see a more bullish market will be more bullish overall, okay? So September, like I said, guys, is typically bearish overall. It's always been a negative returning year for Bitcoin. But like I've been saying, going into the end of the year, that's when you might see an uptick in a lot of bullish momentum. And for ladies as well, I'm telling you guys, you can't rule it out. You just saw Pepe. Look at Pepe starting to, I didn't even expect this. Pepe up 15%. Nice move up. What's happening? I have no idea. But this is why I say, man, you know, even with all the fun around Pepe, more than likely going into the bull run, it's still going to crush it. And it's never saw a bull run. And you see the ladies chart is very similar to the Pepe chart, right? The ladies chart is very similar to the Pepe chart. And both of them have never seen a bull run before. So going into the bull market, you just never know what could happen for ladies, man. It could absolutely go ballistic. It really could. But obviously nothing is guaranteed, so that's why you never invest more than you're willing to lose. From Jules, touched it. DXY recently just hit again a crucial resistance level, and we're gonna see if it starts to break down from there. If it does, you know, buckle up. It's gonna get bullish overall, man. From Mexi, volume alerts. Mexi rise in volume in the past 60 minutes, and as you guys can see, there is a rise in volume for ladies, up 9%. In volume. That is very interesting, absolutely interesting. From Main City Empire, X tweeted, okay, I didn't know X had an account. If your phone had only 1% battery left, what would you post? And Main City Empire said, lazy ladies to the moon. Hey, I got you with that one. I completely agree, man. From Jake, a guy, any gems should I check out? Web3 promoters, 10,000 follower account. Whoa. Interesting. 10.9 thousand followers. Top Web3 marketing agency. Network of top X influencers. Marketplace coming soon. Web3 crypto projects will choose their fave influencer to promote them. And he or she responded, maybe ladies. Wow, man. That's very interesting stuff. I got, you know, I saw some of these tweets and I didn't even know, you know, the person that tweeted this to Jake had 10,000 followers. That is very interesting. So a lot of you top accounts are bullish on ladies. And, you know, again, you could see with the market starting to turn around going into the start of next month, man. October tip to the end of the year is typically bullish. Pepe already, maybe Pepe is front running the markets right now. Maybe that's what's happening. Why we're seeing this pop up in Pepe. Maybe it's starting to front run the markets, right? Let's take a look at a couple tweets for Pepe. Let's see what people are seeing. Let's see what we got, man. Breaking. Pepe is gonna re-enter the crypto top 100. This is from Paulie 4 hours ago. We talked about another project from Paulie, and he's still pushing Pepe, which is very interesting. Pond OX is well-oiled machine. Yeah, that project right there, but they're still pushing Pepe. Pepe is going up. Why? Because Pond OX announced a special surprise that is coming up today. Interesting. Pepe claims will be open today. We spawn another mining event. So what Paulie is doing is using his project to help push Pepe. Interesting stuff. Okay, so you know, you got a top influencer that's always going to be pushing Pepe, and again, with Pepe running, a lot of other memes could follow as well. The same memes that were running when Pepe was making a move, right? And ladies was one of those memes as well, right? That when Pepe was absolutely crushing it, ladies was crushing it as well. So we could see a move up for ladies because of this Pepe move, guys. Milady Memecoin holders, thank y'all so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit all notifications, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member. I truly appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you in the next one.